myself Nilay Parekh. In previous session, we discussed about what is array, how to declare, initialize and accessing the member of array, one-dimensional array. Today we are going to discuss about the different operation of array. In array we have a 5 operation. First, insertion. Second, deletion. Third, searching. Fourth, merging. And fifth, sorting. In today's session we are going to discuss about insertion and deletion. For insertion, what is the major requirement? We must have a spare space, the location and new elements. And in deletion, we require only a location. So let's understand the first algorithm part of insertion and deletion and then a C program of insertion and deletion. So please stay on the screen. So now first let's understand how insertion operation will work. Let us suppose you have one array A of 30 and you want to insert one element at some specified location. First we will insert elements of an array. So the algorithm of insertion is like that. Step 1, start. Step 2, we have one array called A and they have some elements like 6, 9, 3, 2, 11, 6. Here the index always start from 0. So the first element will have A of 0, next one will be A of 1 up to so on. And the A of 0 is considered as a location number 1, A of 1 will consider as a location number 2, A of 2 will consider as a location number 3 and so on. So if we want to insert some particular element at location, we have to specify that is A of location minus 1. So here you can see it. If you want to insert an element at location number 3, so it is actually I equals to, or location minus 1 means what? A of 2. So first, step 1 that we started our algorithm. Step 2, we initialize our array. Now step 2, location and item. We want to insert a new element at location number 3 and a new item called 110. So here you can see we have to shift the elements at right side. So first, using the right shift operator, we will shift the 6 value to the left to right, then the next one 11, then the next one 2 and the next one 3. So we have a spare space here. Then we are going to insert our item, or you can say a new element at that specified location, and then we are going to increase our array by 1 as we increase the array size, and the last is exit. So here after inserting an element, our array will be increased by 1 value. Same thing will happen in deletion, but in reverse order. Here we are shifting the elements from right side. In deletion we are going to shifting the elements from left shift operator. Let's understand the deletion operation. Step 1, start. Step 2, our array initialization 6, 9, 3, 2, 11, 6. Step 2, at which location or which element you want to delete. So location number 3 that we want to delete. So we are going to shifting the elements from left shift operation. So 2 will be shifting at the place of 3, 11 will be shifting at the place of 2 and 6 will be shifting at the place of 11. After deletion operation, we will decrease the array size as we deleted one element, and last exit. So here We understand the algorithm of insertion and deletion. Now let's understand with one and simple C program of first insertion and then deletion. Here on the screen you can see the first we are including our header file hash include stdio.h hash include conio.h. Then we are starting our main function. Next we are declaring our variable integer a of 30 big size array element, a new element that you want to insert, num. From big size array how many elements you want to perform for insertion. Then I is for looping variable and location means at which location you want to insert a new elements. Enter the number of elements, how many numbers you want to perform in this big size array. Scanf %d %num. So our limit will be from 0 to num. So for I equals to 0, I less than num, I plus plus, scanf %d %a of 5. With the help of this operation, we inserted our array elements like 6, 9, 3, 2, 11, 6 as we enter num equals to 6. Now, we need to insert two things. First, elements and second, location. Printf, enter the element to be inserted, scanf %d %element. Printf, enter the location, scanf %d %location. We have an array, we have a new element and we have a location. So we have to create a space at that specified location. And then when we have a space, we will insert that element at that specified location. For that, let's understand this looping operation. We are starting our looping with I equals to num and we will go till I greater than equals to location and we are decrement i's value I minus minus. So for that we are shifting the array value using right side. So a of I equals to a of I minus 1 means what? The 6 value will shift from right side, the 11 value will shift from right side, the 2 value from shift from right side till we will reach the location. And when we are going to reach the location, we are ending our loop. Then after the terminating loop, we are inserting that element at our location place. For that, the logic part is a of location minus 1 equals to element. After inserting, our array will increase by one size. Num equals to num plus 1 or you can just simply write num plus plus. So after that, you need to just display this array element for I equals to 0, I less than num, I plus plus, printf %d /n a of I and ch closing bracket. Here you can see the output 6, 9, 3, 2, 11, 6, our new element 110 location, and after inserting our array will be 6, 9, 3, 110, 2, 11, 6. So this is the insertion operation. Now let's understand C program of deletion operation. The sum part is common for deletion. Hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h, our header file, main function. So here you can see we don't require a new element because we want to delete existed element. So we require only location, num and our looping variable I. Enter the number of elements, scanf %d and %num. Printf, enter %d elements, num. For I equals to 0, I less than num, I plus plus, scanf %d and %a of I. With the help of we are inserting elements. Now we need to insert location to be deleted. Printf, location of the element to be deleted, scanf %d and %location. While location less than num, we are shifting from left side the value. So a of location minus 1 equals to a of location. And when we reach that condition, we are decrement our array as we reduce our array element by 1, and then we once again display our array for I equals to 0, I less than num, I plus plus, printf %d /n a of I and get ch.